Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Project Moneypits. Today we're heading down to an event that I've known about for like a week now, but I left James in the dark. He has no clue what's going on. And as you can see from the title, today is the day that I surprised my boyfriend with a motorbike. Now, James doesn't have his license yet to ride, so that's a secondary surprise today, is that I booked him in for what is called a CBT, which stands for compulsory basic training. It is the minimum requirement for someone to ride a 125cc motorbike on the road. Okay, James?
Hello.
We all lied to you.
Oh.
I'm so excited and nervous, very, very nervous. If he fails or decides that he doesn't really like bikes, then I just wasted a lot of money. Today, you're going to be doing your CBT, so it's your compulsory basic training.
Whoa.
To ride motorbikes, just in case you didn't get that bit.
Oh, jeez. I'm learning how to ride a bike.
You're going to learn how to ride a bike?
Today. That's so crazy. You snuck me in to ride a bike. You've been saying for so long that you want me to ride a bike, but you finally... You've
been saying it too, and I don't like it when we just talk about things and don't act on them.
You finally hoodwinked me into...
I did. You got hoodwinked. So, once you've done your CBT, which is something that technically you can't fail. It's just training. Alright. Once you've done that, then technically you can ride on the road on a 125. If you didn't want to do the 125 route, then you would be taking your full test, and then you'll go straight onto a big bike. So we'll cross that bridge when it comes to it. But for now, let's get you through this stage.
Oh my word. Okay.
Excited?
I don't know if I've worn the right things.
Well, they're going to provide you with most of the gear.
Oh gosh.
I've made you a little packed lunch.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
Oh my goodness.
You nervous?
I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous.
Don't be.
Last time I drove a bike, I blew it up.
You did? Yeah. The only time James has ever ridden a motorbike, he pretty much nearly set my 1098 on fire. So
I shouldn't be riding Ducatis.
And you ruined some poor recovery guy's Christmas.
Eve,
yeah. Anyway, guys, well, there's only so much I can document for this, and James really does need to actually concentrate. Hey?
Maybe I couldn't fail.
Hey guys, so quick update. I'm gonna go get him, and then I'm gonna literally shoot up to the showroom where the bike is. I made an excuse that this M6 needs to get back up there for bullshit reason, and that he would have to follow me up in the skyline and take me back home. There he is! Biker in the making!
Look at my thing.
I've heard that before.
I got a pink... Damn it! I got a pink slip.
Hey, my boy!
What the?
Champions, get champagne.
Well, thank you, lovely.
Well done, you. I'm so proud of you. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Oh, you're really sweaty.
Yeah. Yeah. It was very hot, but and it was super scary. And we went out on the road the first time, and for some reason I put it into fifth, but I didn't think I put it into fifth. And then I tried to take off at the traffic lights, and then I got really scared, and then I got flustered, and then I was like, but I'm giving it all the revs, and I'm slowly letting the clutch out.
Giving it the beans.
I'm doing everything that I've been told, but it's not working. And then, yeah, I was in fifth, so yeah, that was really bad. But then the second ride out was absolutely awesome.
Cool.
This is so nice.
No, you deserve it.
Like I got my... Yay!
Yay! Now get in the car.
Now buy me a 125.
Oh, he's got the bug! You can get a 125 and, just get used to that. And technically it's like
That's what I'd like to do.
Free seat time.
Oh,
because
hell yeah.
The next bit is where it gets a little bit expensive because of your age, you're allowed to do something called direct access. So you can go straight onto a big bike.
Saying them out.
I had to go into a restricted license initially because I was young.
Yeah, I remember that. And you put
the restrictor on the bike, and then I took it straight off. And everyone gives a shit. Do you have the bug? Do you want to get back on? Okay,
genuinely, I'm scared.
Without overthinking.
Oh,
like,
yeah,
just as a feeling, are you like that? Like,
yeah,
cool,
I want to get better at it, and it definitely feels cool. When they first took us around the airfield, and we went over like 20 or whatever, it was like, oh my gosh, I'm a badass. It was really cool. Yeah, step one.
Well, this is it. Now this is going to become a series. So stay tuned, guys, for James's bike adventures.
This is road number 1 on the road to Diwali.
I don't even think it's pronounced that way.
Diaval.
Diavel.
Diavole.
It's a Ducati, by the way.
Ducati. It's a Ducati Diavole.
It's definitely not a first bike.
And look forward to the next journey of teaching me how to ride a bike.
Love it. Alright, cheers guys. Like and subscribe.
I'm going to steal this Coke.
It's empty. Okay, firstly, how blacked out is this M6? The windows are so tinted. It is so dark in here, so I'm sorry if you can't pick me up right now. But I'm on the way up to the showroom. I'm racing James pretty much. I'm so excited. I really, really am. You didn't hear it because it was off camera, but all of a sudden he started talking to me about, you know, which will be the best 125 to get. You know, like, can we start looking? Can we go get gear? And I was just like dying on the inside. All I wanted to do was just tell him. So I'm about 5 minutes out. I'm just gonna go set up the bike so as soon as he walks in the showroom doors, it's there and ready for him. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. I've got a buddy who's already up there who's gonna give me a hand with setting up. Exciting! Listen to this as well, wait. V10 goodness. Okay, he's here. I'm so excited.
Hello. Ooh, it's red.
Surprise.
What?
I bought you a bike.
Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh no. You bought me a bike. Oh, damn.
KTM 1252.
Oh my god. I can't believe you bought me a bike. Oh, you bought me a bike. Why would you? Oh, you bought me a bike. Oh my god, it looks so good.
I'm like shaking.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
I'm scared. Sit on it.
It's so crazy. Oh my gosh.
Show him the dash and that.
That's so
Yeah,
crazy.
sit on it and I'll show you that. I mean, this bike is so much more high tech than mine.
Oh my gosh.
Help us roll.
That's ridiculous though.
Sit on it.
This is the real deal.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I want to show you the dash.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna get a runner. Throw your leg over.
I've never ridden a bike before today, and now I have my own bike. Really? Oh my
Isn't
god.
it cool?
Crazy.
Isn't it mad? My bike doesn't even have this stuff. Look, fuel gauge. It's got Bluetooth.
I definitely don't deserve this bike. This is crazy.
Everyone deserves bikes. Bikes are great.
So crazy. You're ridiculous. This is like the most amazing 125 ever.
Very
This is
very
crazy.
Gucci, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
That's mad.
Gucci gang.
It's got LED headlights on it.
It literally has everything. It's only it's less than a year old. It's only done 680 miles.
This is definitely not sinking yet.
Okay, the sound
Oh gosh.
doesn't match the looks.
Aww. Not a pea shooter.
It needs an exhaust.
Yeah.
Did it tell you what gear you're in?
Yes.
Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh my god.
Yep, it doesn't work.
That's so crazy.
It's got ABS as well. You know what ABS stands for, right?
That's ridiculous. So what's this? Is this the brake?
Yes, Jay.
That doesn't look like a brake.
There's no CBT part 2.
Yeah, well, that's what I still can't believe that you can drive on the road after just doing that.
It's mad, isn't it?
Oh my word, this is outrageous. Oh my gosh, that's such a cool bike. White and orange and black. That's so sick.
It's like the Shannon
Oh my
backwards.
gosh. Yeah, that's awesome.
He's got trainers to match his bike.
Now it's sinking in. Look at his hype.
Yeah. Well, I was like, what is happening? This is outrageous. That's so funny. I walk in, I'm like, oh, it's a red light. It's like, what?
Cole, you're setting a bad example.